मैं फोटो करते नहीं बस थोड़ा पीछे से क्राउड कम कीजिए मैडम थोड़ा आगे मैडम थोड़ा आगे आइए ना बस बॉडीगार्ड साइड वेट रवीना जी यहाँ पे पानी आ रहा है पीछे
Mr. Garkil will now felicitate our guest of honor for the day. Thank you. Saurabh, I'd also like you to felicitate Mr. Suren.
We are waiting for the launch, and then we can hear from Ravina what you feel about the software, how it's useful, and then you guys can have some more questions on that. Once again, thank you all very much for being here. Thank you.
I'd like to invite Ms. Ravina Tandon to do the honors now.
Blue t-shirt, blue shirt. Blue shirt. अरे बैठ ना सरोज बैठ सरोज बैठेगा मेरी फ्रेम खराब हो रही है
झाला की जरा थोडा
अरे सरोज बैठ
Ravinaman back. Saroj.
The mobile app.
So it gives the ability to try jewelry virtually like you saw Ravina do.
Ravina ma'am. Ravina ma'am.
So now she's
Thank you, Ravi.
Ma'am. Ravina ma'am. Ravina ma'am. Yeah, बोल अंकित.
Thank you. और एक चीज बोलनी है आपको that we have launched the बजरंगी भाईजान का pendant. So वो जो मैंने पहना है गले में. So I'm going to give one to Madam right now, and it's going to be the first gift I'm doing it ever.
दादा.
Husband can wear.
My association with PN Gadgil is not only now and immediate, but it's been for many, many years. There are times when everyone has a family jeweler, right? But to have a jewelry or a jeweler that has a family legacy along with your family is a very big thing. And PN Gadgil is such a family for me. Because as you know, it's not only a jewelry store that has opened just yesterday. They have a legacy of hundreds and hundreds of years coming down from their great-grandfathers. And as you can see with their success story, it speaks its own language. The success of P.N. Gadgil is not only because they are smart businessmen. They're smart businessmen in the sense that they bring you innovative and novel things. जैसे नई चीजें आई हैं, जैसे कि एक kiosk आ जाया है, which मेरे knowledge में तो I think this is the first of its kind in India. मैंने तो किसी और जगह पे सुना नहीं है where you can actually, you know, through the computer check which looks good on you on your own photograph and then buy. नहीं तो हम लोग आईने के सामने लेके बैठे रहते, earrings लगा के देखते रहते, अपने सहेलियों से पूछते रहते हैं. आजकल तो photograph selfie लेके फिर WhatsApp करते हैं, पहले ये लूँ कि नहीं लूँ. So, but I think ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक idea है कि जहाँ आप अपने आप को ही देख सकते हैं, you can take the jewelry and figure out कि whether this is something that you should be buying or not. So the thing is that besides being smart, innovative, they are also a family legacy which has sort of got trust over the years, built up faith, which is very, very important, because today when you go to buy jewelry, you're putting your hard-earned money, you're buying something and you want its value. And today most of us have daughters, we have you know, children whom we need to get married off to. We need to, we start collecting jewelry from now. At least I have. I don't know how many of you have already started collecting your jewelry for your kids. So it is something that is very necessary to do in today's day and age, and invest correct. And uske liye credibility is very important. My association with P.N. Gadgil is, after knowing them for so many years, seeing the way they have progressed all over these years, is the fact that they are credible people whom you can trust. Today if you buy something, you know you have bought something from your hard-earned money and it's your money's worth. Besides that, I'd like to congratulate them over this fantastic new idea which I really like, and I love seeing my photograph of them. So over here, I think it will be a great idea because ladies will come and model the jewelry and the whole store will be seeing their photograph modeling. I think that will be another great thing to happen. I think Saurabh, and I congratulate you also, you know, for thinking of such a great software. Yeah, because these are things which are very, very useful in today's day and age. Congratulations to you. I know you are on American time right now. So it is prime time right now. This is your deep in sleep, but still. Any questions for anyone from the media for us? But normally I'm never late. It was the first time, but like I said, there were, unfortunately, actually I'm not well today. So it took me time to kind of do everything together. So I'm still sniffing and I'm still a little under the weather. So forgive me today, this time.
Yeah. So being a public figure and an actor as well, do you have some extra sort of affection and love for jewelry?
I think being a woman, basically, it has nothing to do whether you are a star or a celebrity or something. And nowadays, I feel more than anyone else, people actually buy jewelry also as investment. It's a necessity. Today, when the government offers you schemes where you buy gold, because these are things that never go down. These are things which are priceless. Today, you, I'm not sure whether you're married or no. Are you married? No. No, nah? The day you get married, that day also you start thinking of a baby ko kya do. So if you want to have good marks every day at home, you'll be thinking, chalo anniversary, birthday, I have to give my wife something. And besides the fact that even when you have your own children, so I feel it is always important to start investing, because कल को आपको बेटी होगी, बेटी की शादी करानी है, obviously a daughter, you know, and girls like to dress up their best during their wedding day. I definitely do not believe in any kind of dowry or any kind of thing, so that is a no-no. But on their own, women like to dress up. So the day, like I was getting married, I made a beautiful set for myself to go with my ghagra choli and everything. The same way you'll have to think ahead. You know, okay, my daughter will want to, you know, on her wedding day. So, but prices are not going down. Right? Prices are only going up. So, for me, it's an investment. So today what I'm buying, I know 20 years later when my daughter is ready to get married or my son is ready to get married and I have to give it to my bahu, it will be really bloody expensive. So I feel it is also the right kind of investment, but with the right people. There are so many times, I'll tell you, in the past when I have bought jewelry at some different stores and there's been no ISI mark on it or no gold mark on it, and today when I see, I come to buy 17 karat gold. So buy at a jeweler whom you feel has that credibility and you trust. That's very important, and that is why my association basically with PN Gadgil.
And what do you think about this try-on feature? How beneficial it's going to be for jewelry business?
I think I started my whole talk with you all only by mentioning that I think it's a great idea, because like I said, all women really love to dress up and they love to see themselves also dressed up. So I think it's a great idea.
बट रवीना जी तो आपको गिफ्ट लेना पसंद है या देना पसंद है ज्वेलरी?
बहुत कठिन No. See, like my mom's birthday and my mom-in-law's birthday and everything, I love giving also. I love to give gifts and I love accepting gifts also. So when birthdays, people write, oh no, gifts and all. I said, but then what's the fun of a birthday? I mean, if there are no presents to open, sit in presents, open.
Personally, are you really fond of jewelry?
Yes, personally, I enjoy good jewelry. I buy 1 or 2 good pieces a year. But like I said, I have to think of a bahu also that's coming. Some many years later. My son is only 8 years old. But it's the right investment at the right time.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose 1 out of 2, one would be diamonds and second would be gold, what would you personally prefer?
I think both have a very irreplaceable value. You cannot make diamonds without gold in it. And you can't just have plain gold, sometimes diamonds enhance it. So it's something which goes hand in glove.
But can you revise one memories that you have got the finest gift of jewelry from someone? Some of your friends from Bollywood?
I'm always getting jewelry from my family, so most of the time. And I love, like I said, I love giving also jewelry. I love the excitement on my mom's face, on my mom-in-law's face when they open that box and it's a small, even if it's a small pair of earrings or a small ring, it's something which is useful. It is value for money,
But apart family, no Bollywood friends? No Bollywood friends involved in that? Lene mein aur dene mein?
What you said?
But apart family, no Bollywood friends involved in that, giving jewelries or taking jewelries?
Of course we do, but I don't think I'm going to sit and now make a list. During my wedding, I got a lot of gifts from a lot of my so-called Bollywood friends, like you said. But I don't distinctly remember now.
रवीना, talking about gifts, आपको अभी गिफ्ट मिला, बजरंगी भाईजान का पॉकेट मिला आपको, कैसे लगा आपने बताया नहीं लॉकेट आपने जब देखा?
मैंने PN Gadgil के बहुत सारे रेंजेस लॉन्च किए हैं, and the very fact that I'm associated with PN Gadgil is because I think they have innovative, they have different ideas, and they come up with beautiful jewelry.
Talking about बजरंगी भाईजान ट्रेलर देखा आपने? बजरंगी भाईजान का ट्रेलर देखा?
I'm sorry, I did not talk about that.
लेकिन कुछ आपने कुछ
Can we talk about what we are here for? Thank you.
Anybody else who would like to ask a question?
Ravina, we've just got to know. Hi, Akash. We've just got to know that you're doing a film with Anurag again, Return Gift. So, can you tell us something about that? Have you signed the dotted line?
It's too much in pre stages right now. So honestly, I can't talk about it right now. When they make the announcement, then they'll make it.
And also, were you happy with your role in Bombay Velvet? Because we were hearing that.
I had no role in Bombay Velvet. It was a guest appearance.
Okay.
It was just 2 songs that I was supposed to do. 3 songs actually.
But was it going to be more earlier? That's what it came out as?
That's all gone now. Let's talk about PN Gadgil. That'll be better. बहुत पुराना किस्सा हो गया, छोड़ दो.
रवीना जी, मेरा सवाल आप जाओ ठीक माइक लाइए. रवीना जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि PN Gadgil का रवीना जी मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि पहले PN Gadgil का इनॉग्रेशन माधुरी जी ने किया था और उनको जैसे ही पता चला कि अब रवीना जी कर रही है तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे अगने में रवीना का क्या काम है.
यार वो गाना उनका भी नहीं था पहली बात तो ये मैं सौरभ को दे दूंगी तो सौरभ क्लैरिफाई करेंगे कि हम तीनों की क्या रोल है विद क्लियर करके. I think Diwali Shab will be releasing. That's made by Oneir. That's a love story. So for now, and like Saurabh said, and with PNG, the association is going to definitely go ahead, like he has just mentioned, and he's today, Touchwood, got the best, ratings on whatever you say, including his ambassadors, Salman, a dear friend, Madhuri ji, a senior, and another dear friend, and me. So we all have our own different works chalked out. To answer your question, I didn't answer, I gave it to him to answer. But we all three represent PNG, and we all have our own three separate, whether they are representing gold, diamonds, or the other collection, like how you saw Salman normally represents the pendants, and like they were discussing the men's collection. He represents the men's collection. Thank you everybody, and again apologies for starting this a little late. Then, like, so I have a question about your online shopping. Is the only brand which offers online shopping in the jewelry. So are you planning to multiple channel trading, like on Amazon or Myntra or something? Or just on the PNG website?
Firstly, there are many brands who do online shopping. So I think all the leading jewelry players have their own portals. There are some dedicated portals which are only dedicated towards jewelry. So like there's CaratLane, which is only selling jewelry. Once again, thank you all for being here. I think it's a great concept. You all should try it from your house. It's on the web, so it's all free. So try it out, see how it is, and we'd love to have your feedback on this. And it's now shopping at doorstep, so make the most of it. Once again, thank you all. Thanks, Ravina. You have been a support always, a dear friend.
Thank you everybody.
सर सोडतो मी असे ना जरा मागे है ना यार क्या कर रहे तुम लोग पीछे चलो सबको मिलेगा तो हम लोग भी वही कर रहे हैं ना पीछे कोई जा नहीं रहा है वहाँ पे इधर पीछे आओ ना ये पिक्चर थैंक यू
Please come down.
एक्सक्यूज मी जेंटलमैन मागे या ना मैम हो गया सर यस सर मैम ये मैम हाँ ये रहता ये पूरी थैंक यू